Welcome to Using Doctor's Friend's Suction Machine. With 50 years of experience in product development, design, and manufacturing, we are dedicated to providing users with the most comfortable and convenient experience. This series of suction machines includes 3 models: DF-350, DF-350A, and DF-330. Please make your selection based on your actual needs. Specifications and accessories may vary by model. Each suction unit comes with the main unit, suction bottle set, foot switch, filter, surgical suction tube, suction catheter, silicone suction tube, and storage tray. The suction bottle lid is equipped with a detachable adapter. These connectors are coated and have different shapes corresponding to various port sizes. After removal and cleaning, please ensure they are reinstalled in their original positions. Below the bottle lid is the first safety device, the water level controller. When the water level reaches maximum capacity, the float ball will rise to block the suction inlet, preventing the water from being drawn into the unit. For model DF-330, storage tray, on-off switch, regulator valve, select valve, vacuum gauge, large safety device, storage basket, circuit breaker, power cord, foot switch. For model DF-330, an original factory PC bottle set or a disposable bottle set can also be attached. The second safety mechanism, the large water level controller at the center of the unit, operates identically to the first. It blocks the suction inlet again to prevent water from entering the unit. Before plugging in, please ensure that the outlet voltage is correct. When handling the suction bottle, tighten the bottle lid and secure it with the fixed hook. Install the filter with front and rear tubes and verify that the suction inlet is properly aligned with the filter with front and rear tubes, B adapter, and water level controller. Install the bottle set and connect the suction tube. Make sure all components are properly connected and intact. When a vacuum is established inside the suction bottle, the pressure gauge needle will rise to the set value. Rotate the regulator valve to adjust the pressure to the value specified by the physician's order, then suction can be started. If the machine fails to start, or, during operation, the pressure gauge shows pressure, but the suction unit has no suction, please follow the steps below for inspection. Verify that the power supply voltage is within the correct range. Check whether the circuit breaker has popped out. If it has, press it back in and verify again that the voltage is correct. If suction is insufficient during use, please check whether the tubing is kinked and perform pressure release. Set the pressure to low to complete pressure release. Once pressure has been released, rotate the regulator valve to the required setting and resume suction. If insufficient suction is observed during machine operation, please follow the steps below to check. Turn the regulator valve to high. Press your finger against the machine's suction port. Verify if the pressure reaches above 650 millimeters of mercury. If the issue persists, please send the machine to the dealer where you purchased it for repair. Press your finger against the end of the filter with the front and rear tubes, and check if the pressure reaches above 650 millimeters of mercury. Press your finger over the suction inlet on the bottle lid to test the pressure, and ensure the pressure reaches at least 650 millimeters of mercury. Both ends of the bottle set must be tested. If the required pressure is not achieved, please replace the bottle with a new one. Press your finger against the end of the surgical suction tube and check if the pressure reaches above 650 millimeters of mercury. If not, please replace the surgical suction tube. Wipe the exterior of the machine with a clean and soft cotton cloth. It is recommended to replace the filter every 3 months. If it becomes dirty or damp, please replace it immediately to ensure hygiene and prolong the product's lifespan. After use, pour out the water from the bottle. After cleaning the bottle set, dry it, or sterilize it with high temperature and pressure to prepare for the next use. The surgical suction tube and suction catheter are single-use consumables. After use, please wrap them completely and dispose of them immediately. Do not reuse. Thank you for choosing the Doctor's Friend Suction Machine. If you have any unresolved issues, please contact the original place of purchase or the product distributor for assistance.